Thursday market update, bulls poised to roar amid CPI relief and global optimism. The good news, the bulls are likely to be everywhere. Overnight, Wall Street was in rally mode amidst cooler than expected core December CPI inflation data. The softer CPI report eases investors' concerns about rising inflation and, most importantly, the potential for prolonged high interest rates. The positive takeaway was that the US 10-year benchmark rate fell to 4.68%, fading from its fresh 14-month high of 4.80%. Elsewhere, on the front pages are headlines surrounding Trump's tariff plans and the anxiety ahead of the 20th January inauguration approaches. Long story short, we will spy with one big eye if the big FIIs now look to trim their bearish expectations. This January so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 38,916.10 crores. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4533 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3683 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating a massive rebound on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.25 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.01 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.57. Nifty outlook. Nifty bulls are likely to show signs of life as short covering and value buying is likely to be the preferred theme. Nifty, CMP to 3213. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,100 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,727 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,100 and 23500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 48752. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 48,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,500 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,500 and 49500. Bias for the day is positive. Our call of the day suggests Nifty is likely to start the day with plenty of optimism, and it will be interesting to see if the indexes, especially the small caps and mid caps, can extend their gains today and into the rest of the week. Meanwhile, the next two big catalysts. 1. The Federal Open Market Committee's next policy meeting on January 28 to 29. 2. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Buzzing stocks. 1. Bajaj Finserv dropped 2.5% in yesterday's trade on media reports that it may break its 25-year-old ties with Allianz in H1 CY25, possibly as soon as this March end. 2. Persistent Systems is in the limelight after launching an AI-powered contract management solution ContractAssist developed in collaboration with Microsoft. 3. HDFC AMC rebounded 4.7% in yesterday's trade on reporting a 31% year-on-year YOY growth in net profit to 642 crore rupees for the December quarter, Q3, an 11% rise compared to the September quarter. Revenue from operations surged 39% YOY to 934 crore rupees during the period. 4. The Q3 Corporate India's earnings season will take center stage this Thursday. Reliance, RIL, Infosys, Axis Bank, LTI Mindtree, Havells, Mustak.